Hello, my name is Narikpaya Varujan. Today I will be presenting my pregraduational internship report. My internship took place at SDU University from February to May 2026 under the supervision of Imakulova Binara. During my internship, I had two main roles. As a lab assistant, I developed the air quality monitoring system, built the web application, and collected the data. I also maintained the laboratory, helped with soldering and hardware tasks, and assisted in different projects. Also, I wrote a scientific article based on the data I collected through the air quality monitoring system throughout the internship. As a teaching assistant, I supervised students during lab sessions and graded their works at the projects. So, before any practical work, I built a strong theoretical foundation. I reviewed scientific literature on air quality monitoring and studied how pollutants like PM2.5 and CO2 affect human health. I also analyzed existing IoT-based solutions to understand what already exists and where improvement is possible. This research phase helped me choose the right hardware tools and methods for my project. Without it, I would not have been able to make confident technical decisions later on. The biggest part of my internship was building the monitoring system from scratch. On the hardware side, I set up Raspberry Pi and Arduino Nano and connected sensors measuring PM2.5, PM1, temperature, and humidity. On the software side, I wrote Python scripts to collect and verify sensor data, developed as Flask the backend with REST API, and built a front dashboard showing live air quality readings, as you can see here in the presentation photo. After connecting everything together, I ran full end-to-end tests to make sure the system worked correctly and the data was reliable. Python scripts was written on the Raspberry Pi. So, working as a teaching assistant gave me strong communication experience. During lab sessions, I explained topics like sensors, integration, and IoT architecture to students with very different levels of knowledge. I was assistant at IoT and digital design for students. I helped them find bugs in their code and fix hardware connections. I also held individual consultation and give feedback on their lab reports and graded them for their lab. This taught me how to break down complex technical information into simple and clear explanation, which is a skill I will carry into my future career. Having two roles at the same time, like lab and teaching assistant, pushed me to develop strong interpersonal skills. I had to manage my own project deadlines while also being available and helpful for students. This required discipline, patience, and good time management. Working closely with my supervisor and the lab team also helped me learn how to collaborate professionally, take feedback, and communicate my ideas clearly. By the end of the internship, I felt significantly more confident and mature as a professional. Here in the video, you can see times where I worked as an assistant. So, in summary, this internship was an incredibly valuable experience on every level. I built a real working IoT system, gained hands-on experience in a laboratory environment, in research, developed my teaching and communication skills, produced scientific article. I successfully completed all planned tasks within the given time frame. I'm truly grateful for this opportunity, and I feel well prepared for my future career. So thank you for watching.